Hello, foodies. I know what y'all are thinking about right now. Hold up, hold up, hold up. You know what? Your guess is just as good as mine. Why?
Making shawarma today.
Yes, Nigerian made shawarma. Hi guys, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Shelly Kings. Of course, today we're in the kitchen because we're going to make Nigerian shawarma. I'm sure we have so many lovers of shawarma. A lot of people will go out and buy, but it's a thing you can easily make provided you have all the available ingredients. Oh no, this babe talks too much. Let's dive right into this. Chicken breast, pepper, coleslaw, sausages, salad cream, cocktail, shawarma cream, ketchup, and mayonnaise. Of course, you need your shawarma bread. So the first thing you need to do is mix your ketchup, your shawarma cream, and your mayonnaise together. Also add a bit of pepper for extra spice and mix thoroughly. So I'm just going to mix my coleslaw right now, and I'm using my mayonnaise. I'm just going to put a reasonable quantity and mix. When you're done mixing, it's time to prepare our shawarma. So I'm just going to apply my mixture on my shawarma bread. I'm just rubbing it randomly. Feel free to be generous with it. I'm going ahead now to add my coleslaw. So when this is done, you can add your chicken. This is in no particular order. You can add it whichever way you prefer. So I'm just going ahead now to add my chicken to it and my sausages. Then you wrap. This is me just being extra. You don't necessarily have to add more cream, but because I want it really creamy. So after adding your cream, you can go ahead and wrap. I'm not the best at wrapping, but this is how I can manage to wrap it. So if you have a better way, feel free, but when I get something better, I'm going to share with you guys how to wrap it properly. So this is what it looks like. If you really don't want it thick, you can go ahead and use just one. So I'm just going to put it in my toaster. If you have a grill, feel free, but for me, I'm using this toaster, and yep, that's it for how to make shawarma. Sumptuous. Look at how moist it looks inside. This cost me less than what I would spend if I go to the store to buy it or something. So this looks sumptuous. Oh my goodness, you see what I mean? Nice.